Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your blood pressure results to the Google Fit application, thereby keeping track of it quite easily. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now tap on the browse icon down below, which is the third option. Click on Vitals and tap on blood pressure, which is the second option. Now, as you can see, you can keep track of your results by the help of this chart in the middle of the screen, or if you scroll down, you can see your entries here. But you can also add a new result of a blood pressure measurement by clicking on this plus icon at the top of the screen. Then you need to select the exact date and time, the systolic blood pressure and the diastolic blood pressure, and then you need to add measurement details such as your body position, standing, sitting, lying down or reclining, and your arm location. If you are done with all this information, press the button Save in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby adding a new data to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.